Hi everyone, welcome back to Milmo Wood from the beautiful North Wales. Unfortunately, long COVID has really impacted me over the last few months, so there's been no new videos out. However, in the last week I've improved a little bit and I've managed to do some work in the garage. I've actually waterproofed one side of the garage where the prefab meets the concrete base, and I've sealed it. I've yet to do the other side, but exciting news, I've decided to swap the workshop around. So with lots of help from my brothers, the wood store was this side and all my equipment was the other side. I'm swapping it over, and I've just got to sort out all my bits and bobs that are on the storage board. I don't think I'm going to be in full fettle for quite a while, but I'm hoping to be able to put a couple of videos out which I've already prepared and need to edit, so hopefully I'll be back with you soon.